In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and delete stations from your location. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have either your enterprise or the location whose stations you would like to change selected. Then click on Locations. Select the location whose stations you want to work with. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Deployments. From the drop-down menu, select Stations. If this is a brand new location, you might not see anything here. This location has 3 stations. If I wanted to add another one, I could click the Add button at the top of the chart and select the station. Let's say Manager. If I don't want to add this station, I would choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now Manager has been added. This location is a cafe, so I don't actually need a bartender. To remove the bartender location, I can highlight Bartender by clicking on the box. Then go to the bottom of the chart and click Remove. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to remove that station. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to click OK. And now Bartender has been removed from the station options at this location. Notice that there are 4 things displayed in this chart. You have the station name, the external ID, the pay rate, and the priority. The external ID is blank because this university doesn't use them. However, if you notice under Manager, there is a pay rate of 0. I do need to go back and fix that. That's how you can add and remove stations from your location. Check out the next video to learn how to add and remove employees from your location.